So this is one place during the course of the entire year where we actually can get all 50 states together to talk about increasing participation in fishing and boating. And so as from the industry's perspective, there's an opportunity to partner with these states and help them be more successful in their efforts to not only grow fishing licenses, but try to grow anglers for life.
I love that I can learn new and innovative ways to try to reach our customers or potential customers based on research and industry practices that I couldn't get alone in my agency.
When you see people travel all across the country for a single convention, it says that they're in, and that transfers in the excitement they take to their people in the states, and they grow fishing and boating in their own states.
What is something that you're most excited for this week?
Networking, talking with everyone, seeing what everyone's up to, really trying to figure out what the targeted communications are going to be for the next few weeks, figuring out how we play into that, what we can do, what we can offer to our states, and figuring out how we can really drive revenue with everything that we do.
RBFF has been doing it for more than a dozen years now, and every year it gets bigger and bigger and better. As you saw today, this was just an outstanding session. And the networking that these folks do, when they leave here, they go back with any one of a dozen ideas that they can implement in their state. And if they struggle, they know there's somebody out there that's going to help stand them up and be successful in what they're doing.